Two by two. Wetin wey never marry you, na beat you this kind
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My people, oh, this one shockalize me like seriously. A man will never marry a woman. I beat woman like this. I said this one, it shockalize me. This one I suppose put go for her if I did do the video really, like seriously. A woman when man never marry, oh, the man, if you not see this woman face, if you not see where this guy, in fact, this guy, tell me where you for learn bossa. I bet tell me where you learn bossa. When you beat woman like this, like seriously, my people, una need to see the video. Una need to see the woman whether they ask a question, say, man, whenever marry you, I beat you like this. It will shock me, oh. The thing shockalize me like seriously. Man, whenever marry a woman, oh, now he beat woman like this. What about if you don't marry her? What do you call the one? Now be say now body you take the leg bossa every day. I said this one, it shocked me. Women, I want to just give you now a little advice, you know. If a man never marries you, no let her first disfigure you before you go. No, say you go run for your life. I beg. Okay, this supposedly if this girl eye come blind now, let's assume say this girl eye now he come blind. You no can see man we marry her tomorrow, uncle. You no can see man again we come marry her tomorrow, uncle. You can say, and you now don't go marry another person. Like seriously, and my people, if I thought I said this thing not shockalize me, I did lie. It shockalize me. A man beat woman like this. Like, I don't understand. You will beat woman like this now. Yeah? You beat woman like this. Then you can't expect make this woman now can't really go ahead with this relationship with you. That is why I always tell women, say, if you they follow man, you see say the man, if they beat you, not go ahead, go marry him. Not go. If you they follow man, they beat you like this, May you run for your life, oh. No wait, make you feel blind before you know say you go run, No just wait at all. No wait, oh. You understand? How you go be a woman beater like this? You can't believe say woman go come marry you. I beg women, if you just know say man they beat you, not go ahead go marry him. Because this kind of one, if you go beg her tomorrow, now the girl say, if that can't beg me, don't go do you again. I go worse past the one will not do you so. How man go beat woman like this way never marry you? Like seriously, what do you follow and buy? And they only talk and be say, if you know say you don't tire for me, a man, my own husband, just hope you bother me go give my family. It's the way you fed this go before you go give me to them. You understand? Relationship, this one are boyfriend and girlfriend. Man beat you like this. Like, are you kidding me? Not the way Musa no go see for gate. Not the way person no go see for this social media, my people. Not the way we not go see. Man beat woman. Marry, you never ever marry yourself. You never ever plan to even marry you. You go find your disfigure you like this. Like, are you kidding me? Am I dreaming here? Now dream my day. Man beat you like this. Like, seriously? When I see the video just now, the thing like, I see how they ask and say, hey, man, whenever I marry you, I do you this one. If you can't marry you, uncle, the one will go do you go even worse past this one. You see what women they pass through, we say, if they follow man go they be, they'll still go ahead with the relationship. When they see matter, this one I be way. This one shocked me like, man never marry you, don't they beat you like this? My sister, run for your life, oh. Pick race, stay run. Just run, because this kind man na killer. This kind man na killer, na he be. A man if you do this kind thing, person they run for him. Yeah, person go run, oh. My people, oh. Make I put the video, make una see. I'm gonna help me share this video. Make una share and go give una people. Where be say they go there with man go they be there, they go sit there with them. Mona share and go give them too. My people, This one, he shockalize me like seriously. Man go dey beat you. You go see there. No, he go change. He go change. Who tell you say he go change? A man whether they beat woman already can never change. And they always talk and he can never change. He can never change. Not be evil boyfriend and girlfriend. Boyfriend and girlfriend, I beat woman like this. Boyfriend and girlfriend, my people. This one, he shockalize me. Make I put the video, make una see my people. Make una help me share this video. Because this video, it don't go too long. Like, if I tell una say the thing, no, they do me somehow. They lie. The thing shock me. Man, would they beat woman? Nothing we Musala go see for ghetto. Nothing we Percy not go see for this social media. A man able they beat woman, not see, not be even a wife or girlfriend, my people, or girlfriend. Now he beat woman. Girlfriend. Not be say like marriage, boyfriend and girlfriend. Now he beat woman like this. So. Oh, now where they follow people, more una dey careful. Make una dey careful for man. This kind of man. This one is easy. This one a man where person they pray may not get for his life. This one a man where person they pray may not get. I know some women go they say, I like man when they beat me. If he beat me finish, he can't see pets me. He can't work on enter bed. What about if you can't pay me before you enter bed? If you pay me before you enter bed, uncle, now the reason that one, the people. I fear who not fear some women. I fear who not fear them really. Man, when they beat you, run for your life, please. No wait, oh. No wait, so be crazy, run for your life. Make you not go meme you before you go run. Again, one when I know that time, he beats the girl like the girl herself. You not gonna use one eye till they see where one eye. She not gonna see where with one eye. As the man beat and reach now, they tell you so. So any man who does start to beat you, you know say he will continue. He can never stop. He can never stop. Will not be like you don't go stop. So my people, I put the video make una see. I'm gonna show the video. Let the video go viral. Bye.
Hey! Put that your hand where saw the most, yeah. Oh, put your hand where saw the bend the hand where saw the. What's that go? But where you go now? What's the fight? Where's we never marry you? Nice beach this marry you. Oh! Don't take a go, but where you go now?